Welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to study about biomolecules. So what is mean by biomolecules? Now biomolecules are organic molecules that are present in living organisms and are important for life. तो biomolecules lamidi kasime bio lamidi living imade living organism living the bio lamidi living the molecules that are found in living organism is called biomolecules. The types of biomolecules. We have four types of biomolecules. Number one, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. They are important for our life. There are how many types of biomolecules? There are four types of biomolecules. The first we have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. The main function of carbohydrates the main function is to provide energy to cells. Carbohydrates the carbohydrates provides energy to cells. The example of carbohydrates is glucose. Glucose is the best example. The next we have is proteins. The main function the proteins proteins is the building and repairing tissues. Proteins are function the building and repairing tissues. The example is enzymes. Enzymes is the example of proteins. The next we have lipids. The lipids are the main function of lipids is to store energy and form cell membrane. Cell membrane the form they store energy. Example triglycerides. Then fourth one is we have a nucleic acid. The function is genetic information. The nucleic acid helps to store genetic information. Example DNA. These are the four types of biomolecules found in our body. One by one the first is the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates are organic compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. The carbohydrates are consist of monomers. Called monosaccharides. The main functions of carbohydrates the main source of quick energy for the body carbohydrates. And the classification of carbohydrates there are three classifications of carbohydrates. First we have is monosaccharides. Mono means single, saccharides means sugar. Single sugar units. Example glucose, fructose, galactose. So disaccharides means the composed of two monosaccharides. The disaccharides means the composed of two monosaccharides. Example glucose and fructose. Glucose 1, fructose 2. 2 when the glucose and fructose combine together and form sucrose. Di means 2 when the two monosaccharides. Example glucose 1 monosaccharides, fructose 1 monosaccharides. When the two monosaccharides joins and form sucrose. So polysaccharides means poly means many. Many. When the many monosaccharides joins and they form polysaccharides. So long chain of many monosaccharides is called polysaccharides. Example starch, glycogen, and cellulose. So number 2 we have proteins. Proteins are the complex biomolecules made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen atoms. They are made up of smaller building blocks called amino acids. Amino acid forms proteins. Amino acid is the smallest unit of protein. The main function of protein is to hormones productions in our body. Enzyme catalyst. Defense against pathogens. So amino acids are building blocks of proteins, and there are 20 different types of amino acids in our body. Okay, next we have is lipids. So lipids are the organic biomolecules that are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means insoluble in water. Hydrophilic means soluble in water. Hydrophilic means water loving, and hydrophobic means water hating, water fearing. Hydrophobic di kasi insoluble in water. Hydrophilic di soluble in water. So lipids are insoluble in water. So lipids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen atoms, and some may contain phosphorus. What is the main function of lipids? So lipids store energy from cell membrane, insulations and protection. So we have different types of lipids. There are three types of lipids. First one is triglycerides, phospholipids, steroids. So first one is triglycerides. So triglycerides includes triglycerides includes fats and oils. So phospholipids includes the phospholipids are major components of cell membrane. Cell membrane is composed by phospholipids. And we have steroids. Steroids serve as signaling molecules and hormones. Steroids. So we have is 5. Number 4 we have is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are biomolecules that store and transmit genetic information. So nucleic acid are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus atoms. So we have two types of nucleic acid. They are deoxyribonucleic acid, which is DNA, and ribonucleic acid, RNA. These are the two types of nucleic acid. So firstly, DNA. So DNA is a double helix. The DNA is the double stranded helix. The main function of DNA is to stores genetic information. The double helix lamidi anebe two helix. Now we have two helix of. So DNA is the double stranded helix. The main function the stores genetic information. And the RNA the RNA is a single stranded. Single means only one strand. And the main function the involves in protein synthesis. DNA the double stranded. RNA the single stranded. DNA की function the stores genetic information. RNA की the involved in protein synthesis. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.